Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making sausage bombs. Just changing it up for breakfast. We have extra sausage left over and I have a sheet of pastry, and why not make some sausage bombs? The recipe, if you can call it that, and the links to the products I use here will be in the description below. We do have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Please join. It has wonderful members with delicious recipes. And please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Smooshy the like button, hit the notification bell, subscribe to the Little House of Beans. As most of you know, I do have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, available on Amazon and can be purchased as an ebook as well. I am ready to make these sausage bombs. It is a hot Florida morning, and what better way to start the day with sausage bombs? I'm ready to eat breakfast. Let's cook together. So normally, if I was making this recipe for myself, I'd add all kinds of vegetables like mushrooms or peppers, but since Stu does not like vegetables and thinks that corn is a vegetable, I will not be adding anything but sausage and onions.
Pickles are a vegetable too. Goodbye.
So now that the sausage is done, I am turning off the heat and letting it cool a little bit before we roll it up into our pastry dough. So I'm beating one egg and I will add it to the sausage mixture as it's cooling. And the egg will cook because the pan is still hot, obviously. And also the dish will be still baking in the Omnia. So we are good. So after I rolled it up, I realized I forgot the cheese. So here Stu is adding the sprinkled shredded cheddar cheese.